Tool Pouring Thursday. I'm Mark Jackson. I make the Perfect Pull, and today I want to show you the Perfect Pull Bodyman's Glue Pull Starter Kit, available at AnsonPDR.com. You're going to get a 10-pack of Perfect Pull collision glue. The crease tabs from Anson, really hard pulling, great tabs. 2 of the bomber knockdowns with tips. The Tequila ice tabs, these are fantastic pulling tabs. For starting those larger dents, you're going to use the CamAuto or Keco body tabs. This is going to go on the CamAutos so you can get your ratchet strap on there. Also, you included a slide hammer and this great large capacity high wattage glue gun from Anson as well. It's going to help your bodymen get those rough dents out. It's also a good kit for the starting PDR tech if you're looking for a good collision kit, something to get going on. So if you're interested, check it out, AnsonPDR.com. And here's wishing you smaller dents and bigger dollars. And if the dents are bigger and you want to make bigger dollars, get after them with the Perfect Pull and the Bodyman's Glue Pull Starter Kit.